Hello everyone, this is Infinite Wisdom HD. How are you guys doing? It's been a while, but I really appreciate you guys, all you my viewers, all my followers. I really love you all. You're welcome back to this channel. This is Infinite Wisdom HD. You're welcome. If this is your first time on this channel, I really welcome you to this channel. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. Remember to press the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. For you returning subscribers, I really love you. Thank you so much for your support, for your love, for your reviews. I really thank you so much. I love you. And if you've been on this channel for a while, you've been watching my videos, but you have not yet decided to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now, okay? Because you have a lot to gain on this channel, okay? On this channel, we provide simple spiritual solutions to spiritual problems. Okay, without taking much of your time, I'll go right ahead into today's video. Just stick with me till the rest of this video. So today I'm talking about something very important, something very powerful, something you never knew about garlic. You know, you're going to be pain free and you're going to be happy for it. All you need is garlic, okay? A lot of people complain about pain. You know, they complain about pile, they complain about abdominal pain. They complain about waist pain. They complain about body pain, you know. I want to tell you today that most of the problems or most of the pain that we have is mainly internal pain. You know, if you take care of your bowels, if you take care of your abdomen, if you take care of your gut, you'll be pain free, okay? So today, whether you're having pain, you're having abdominal pain, whether you're having waist pain, whether you're having body pain, whatever pain you have, you're going to be pain free after this video. At the end of the video, you will have learned how to take care of your pain. So today, you're going to need garlic for this. And you're going to be amazed, because to be pain free, I will teach you 2 different ways to apply this garlic, okay? One is through your butthole, through your buttock hole, through your anus, okay? All you need is you just need to take just 1 clove of garlic, just 1 clove, just one like that. Then you have to peel off the skin of the garlic, wash it very well, then you have to cut it in half, okay? So you have to make sure you cut it in half. Then after that, you have to stick it in your butthole and leave it overnight. Then you take it out in the morning. You get what I'm saying? It could be very peppery, because garlic is very peppery, right? But don't worry about it. If it's peppery onto your butthole, don't worry about it. It's doing its work. It's doing the work that it is expected to do. So get 1 clove of garlic, peel off the skin, wash it very well, and cut it into 2. Then you have to stick one of the halves in your bottle, leave it in overnight, and take it out in the morning. You can do this for about 3 days, just 3 days, and I promise you, you're going to be very happy. I tell you, you're going to be pain free by the power of God. I'm not just telling you this just for the sake of it. I'm not telling you this just because I wanted to watch this video, but to help you be pain free. to teach you something that will make you pain free. I've tried this and it has worked for me 100%. Okay, so the second way is to boil just a few cloves of garlic. You boil it in the water, make it boil it up, cut a few cloves of garlic, put it in a pot of water, boil it, and pour the water in a bowl. Okay, then all you have to do is just scot, your bath. You have to sit on the water, not directly in the water, but just on the water, so that the vapor will get right into your bath. Just that the vapor will get into your butthole. Just do this for about a few minutes. 20 minutes is enough, or you can do it on and off. Do this for 3 days. I promise you, you're going to be pain free. So go right ahead and try this out, okay, and let me know what you think. I really want you to try this so that you'll be pain free and you can have a testimony. Okay, so try this out, and I love to read your testimony. Okay, leave your testimony down in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, put it down in the comment section. Okay, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me until I come to you with yet another beautiful spiritual video. I leave you in the hand of God. Thank you so much. I love you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your families and friends. Okay, I'll see you, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.